Hello, percussionists. We're going to be playing the song Going Up in Smart Music. This is going to feel extremely easy, and that's okay because as we go along, things are going to get progressively harder, and you're going to learn a lot more stuff. I'm going to give you some more bona fide techniques, but for now, we're going to keep it pretty simple, okay? You're going to feel like you're not doing much, and that's okay. You'll eventually get to the hard stuff. So when you go to play this, make sure that you have your drum stand and your drum instrument in a good spot. Let's see if I can scoot up maybe, or maybe scoot back. Okay, let's scoot back. So we want to have it at the right height. Next, if you look at the song, you see all these L's. That does not mean loss. That does not mean you're a loser. You guys are amazing, okay? It means left. Okay? L means left. So when you go to play this, you're going to feel the beat and you're going to play all lefts. Okay? The quarter note is the click. So when you go to play, you're actually not even going to need your right hand, but I'd like for you to have it there just so you can practice. So left, 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 left. Rest, rest, rest. Left, 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 left. Rest, rest, rest. Left, 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 left. Rest, rest, rest. Left, 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 left. Okay? Work hard to try to keep those fingers involved so you can keep working on that finger control. When you're going to record in Smart Music, make sure that you turn the accompaniment down a little bit because sometimes that can sound kind of weird. The my part, you can play along with it if you want to, but don't record with it. I'd like to hear you au naturel. It won't let you record anyway without it, so keep the my part off when you record, but practice with it as much as you feel like it. And keep the metronome volume loud enough so you can hear it. Okay? There is nothing else I need to tell you when you're doing this. Make it look and sound just like we've been doing the whole time, all right? Let's try it together, okay? Sticks out. Gotta be honest, percussionist, that sounded really off sounding. The metronome versus the accompaniment, that didn't feel right to me. So when you go to record, you'll kind of figure out if the computer is grading you according to the backing track or to the metronome. If it's grading you according to the metronome, then just like mute the accompaniment. So when you record that and it looks good and you get 100% and you feel great about it, then go ahead and submit it, okay? The one thing that I will tell you is that if you cheat and use right hands only, I will be able to see you because I'm a genius and I'm magic and I can see even though I can't see. No, I'm kidding. I don't actually know if you're using your right hands. If you would, please be good cherubs. Please be awesome students and use your left hand to play this. We're trying to develop the opposite hand, the weaker hand for most of us. If you're a lefty, forget it. Just keep using the left. But for most of us that are righties, we need to be working on that left hand. Okay? All right. You guys are great. Hope you have fun with it, and it'll get more challenging in the future. Okay? Have a good time. Bye-bye.